The thing about people with money, one thing I wish people would notice is once you get to a certain level, you don't have to risk it all. You can still make the risky Airbnb decision or real estate decision, but you don't have to go, 100x anymore because now you have 100x. And we talk about this not often enough, but capital preservation. Once you have some capital, it should not only be about growing, it needs to also be about preserving. Really, really, really important concept that I hope people, some of you guys on here, some of you guys have had side hustles and have had some other things going on for you. You've got crypto, you've got other beautiful things you're involved in. And I'm so excited to hear about it and be part of this community. So I know some of you guys have expanded your budgets. I'm praying that as you're doing that, as you're now making the extra 1 grand a month or whatever that may be based off of where you're at, I'm going to mitigate my risk over here and I'm going to increase over here and I'm going to continue to evolve and branch out. And now you've got this wealth generating system that is, multifaceted and multi-branched and you get to keep going. I just think it's a very important concept. I hope you guys maintain even with the copiers because you don't have to maintain, I have to get 100%. I have to get 50%. You do not.